Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a Form 8K filing from TWFG Inc., and let me tell you, it's a bit like trying to understand insurance policies themselves. Seemingly straightforward at first glance, but get ready for some interesting twists and turns when you actually need it to work. TWFG just released their preliminary results for the fourth quarter and the full year of 2024, and they want to share this information with their investors. We will decode what they reported, how it went, and what it might mean for the future of this insurance business. First things first, what is a Form 8K? It's basically a breaking news report that companies file with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, to announce major events that could affect their investors. This particular 8K is about TWFG sharing their financial results through a press release and an investor presentation. This report is dated March 3, 2025. That means the events discussed, mainly the release of their financial results, happened around that time. It's like getting the news a few days after it broke. The important thing is that they released the information to the public in a timely manner. TWFG Inc. is the company we're focusing on. They're based in the Woodlands, Texas, and their main business is in the insurance industry. Here's a quick note for investors. TWFG has their Class A common stock listed on the Nasdaq stock market under the ticker symbol TWFG. So, if you want to buy or sell shares, that's where you'd go. This part is the heart of the 8K filing. Item 2.02 means that TWFG is sharing details about how they performed financially. They announced their unaudited, meaning not yet fully checked by external auditors, preliminary fourth quarter and full year 2024 numbers. They shared all of this in a press release and also posted an investor presentation on their website. TWFG used a press release and an investor presentation. Think of the press release as a quick, formal announcement of the key financial figures. The investor presentation goes deeper, giving more context, analysis, and maybe a bit of forward-looking guidance. If you were an investor or just curious, you could find this information on the company's website. This is an example of how companies use their investor relations pages to keep everyone in the loop. This is a crucial disclaimer. The information shared in this 8K, including the press release and presentation, isn't officially filed in the same way as, say, a 10K annual report. That means it has a bit less legal weight. It's more like a snapshot in time. This section lists the exhibits included with the 8K. Exhibit 99.1 is the press release, and Exhibit 99.2 is the investor presentation. These are the documents where you would find all the numbers and details about TWFG's performance in 2024. The press release is dated February 28, 2025, and the investor presentation goes a little deeper into the preliminary results for the year. Unfortunately, the actual financial numbers are in those exhibits, which are linked and not directly included in the text of this 8K filing. So we can't analyze them directly in the 8K, however, since the filing is for sharing the financial results. Let's talk generally what that usually entails for a company like TWFG and why that's important. When a company like TWFG announces its financial results, it typically includes key metrics like total revenue, net income, earnings per share, and maybe some specific figures related to their insurance business, such as premiums written or claims paid. For investors, revenue growth is a sign that the company is expanding its customer base or selling more policies. Net income shows how profitable the company is after all expenses are paid. Earnings per share is also important because it represents the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock, serving as a profitability indicator. The insurance industry has some unique factors, too. Investors might look at metrics like the combined ratio, which measures the expenses of an insurance company relative to the premiums it brings in. A combined ratio below 100% means the company is profitable, while above 100% indicates it's paying out more in claims and expenses than it's earning in premiums. Let's analyze what it all means and see the big picture. Assessment of TWFG's direction. TWFG seems to be actively managing its communication with investors by using press releases and presentations. Regularly sharing results helps build trust and keeps investors informed. Notable risks or opportunities. Without the actual financial numbers, it's tough to pinpoint specific risks or opportunities. But in general, insurance companies face risks like unexpected large claims events, changes in regulations, and competition from other insurers. They also have opportunities to grow by expanding into new markets, offering new products, or improving their efficiency. Conclusion: based on this Form 8K filing, TWFG is following standard procedures for keeping investors updated on their financial performance. The real insights will come from digging into those exhibits, the press release, and investor presentation to see how the numbers stack up and what they say about the company's future. So there you have it, a decoded look at TWFG's Form 8K filing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.